Everybody wants to be an ace performer at work. Everybody wants to excel at what they do at work. And everybody wants to be recognized every time there is an recognition planned. They work so hard that they don't realize that there are certain steps and processes that makes you an ace performer. I'm going to talk about 5 important steps you need to start implementing in your career to be an ace performer. The first, which is very important and I have also implemented in my life, is mindset. You have to build a learner's mindset. You have to be a good student. See, the more you self-develop yourself, the more you gain knowledge. And the more you gain knowledge, the more you start implementing things at your workplace. And the more you implement these things at your workplace, the more recognition you get. But usually people just tend to ignore this particular phenomena of mindset development. It's very easy for us to get distracted by entertainment videos, reels, YouTube shorts. But if you transform your thought process, or if you transform your mindset to move away from these entertainment videos and start looking at something which gives you knowledge, I think that's the important thing you need to implement as per your mindset is concerned. The second thing which I'm going to talk about is discipline. See, motivation is always there. You're all motivated, but that is not sustainable. What you need is discipline. Discipline to learn, discipline to share your knowledge, discipline to make sure you build your interpersonal relationship, discipline to make sure how you build yourself as a team member, discipline that how you continue your learning throughout your career, and discipline that how you can sustain all of these things. So you must have discipline to grow as an ace performer. So you will have failures in life. You will have failures which will demotivate you. But do you know what? You are not failed. Maybe the code which you have written had a syntax error. Maybe the approach which you took had a step missing, or you missed step. Maybe the thought process needed a more brainstorming before you started executing it. So stop blaming yourself that I failed. Failures will be there. You need to find out how you can overcome these failures. The third thing which I'm going to talk about is practice. Practice spirituality. Practice meditation. Practice physical fitness. Practice communication. Practice daily routines and rituals. And more you practice, the more you achieve your success in becoming an ace performer. See, this sounds very tough, and to be very honest, success is not easy. It's not that you will become an ace performer, overnight. It's a process. You have to start implementing, which starts with your brain, your mind, how you stabilize your mind to be a good learner, how you implement disciplines, and how you make sure that you practice all of these things. The fourth, which I'm going to talk about, is communication. See, it's very important for you to tell or keep others in loop what you're doing. If you're doing a training, let everyone know that you're doing a training. If you're doing a certification, let everyone know that you're doing a certification. Once you're done with the certification, go out and offer a training for others where you can share your knowledge. That's how you build credibility. The more you do these things, the more you communicate, the more you over communicate, the more people will recognize you. The more people will recognize you, they will consider you the go-to person. You will be considered as an SME. And that's how you build yourself as an ace performer. Now, the fifth and the most important thing which I'm going to talk about is goals. You must set goals. And if you follow all these 4 steps to achieve a goal, you will definitely reach success. You will definitely have a success in your life and your career. So make sure you set goals, make sure you break them down into smaller chunks, achieve smaller goals initially. The more you feel successful, the more you build bigger goals, and the more you build bigger goals, the more you achieve success, and that's how you become an ace performer. So guys, if you're liking this video, subscribe to my channel. I help people to transform themselves. I transform people to be an ace performer at workplace with the mindset change, physical fitness, spiritual enhancements, and financial stability. So subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon if you like this video. You will get notified when I share another video. Join my Facebook group, follow me on Instagram, join my WhatsApp group. I share a lot of information about workplace stress management, workplace mind toughness, mindfulness, how you can build your career around your passion, how you can do work and love it, and there are many things which I'm going to talk about. So be focused, be consistent, and be invincible.